Hi guys, this is Katie and we have got 2 days in Cincinnati. We are just leaving Notre Dame now, so let me show you what we get up to over the next 2 days. So we made it to Cincinnati. We're actually staying on the Kentucky side of Cincinnati. Didn't know that part of the city was on this side. But we got here like 4ish, so we're gonna go and have a little walk, find something to eat, have a drink or two and relax for the evening. Right, we are back in the hotel room now. So just to kind of recap, we drove a lot today. It was meant to be a 3-hour, 50-something minute drive. Because of congestion coming into the city and then just like a load of roadworks on the roads, it took like 4.5-ish hours. So we got into Cincinnati you have Cincinnati in a place called Covington. Covington's in Kentucky, but it's just across the bridge. So we are actually staying in the Holiday Inn over in Covington because Cam's on some like baseball page on Facebook and a lot of people recommended here. So far, I mean, the area's nice. We went for a few drinks. There's like a little like main street of like bars and stuff, so we checked those out, had a few drinks and came back to the hotel. There are plenty of like restaurants and chain places around here. Also, parking is much easier here. So parking here is $7, and I'll quickly show you out the window. So this is like the parking of our where we're staying. There's plenty of parking, obviously. And that was something that I was kind of cautious of when I was booking a hotel. I was looking at the places that were in like Cincinnati in Ohio, the Ohio side, and there was a lot of hotels that were, one, quite a bit more expensive, and two, just didn't have as much parking. So I feel like we got 2 nights here for the price of like what 1 night would be in Cincinnati. So yeah, we're staying in the Holiday Inn. I forgot to give you a kind of room tour. We have already taken other stuff out of our bags and stuff, so I thought I'd give you a quick room tour, but it's not, you know, we haven't just got in here, we've been in here for a little while, but let me show you the room. So you come into the room, you have like a little walkway here, a little fridge area with a coffee maker here, and they actually also have some English breakfast tea, like Keurig cups here. Then you walk in, we have our suitcases, and then they did offer if we wanted like 2 double beds or 1 king, so we went with the king. Clearly we have had a little lay down already. It's been a long day. TV, lamps, all, you know, all that jazz. Little workstation area, chair, and then we kind of have a view, but we didn't pay for a view or anything like that. Like there's no kind of upcharge for it, but that's the bridge that goes over to Cincinnati. And she did say like during the winter when the trees aren't as full, you can see the river, because there's like a river there kind of here. You can see that in the winter, but obviously you can't right now. But yeah, that's a very quick room tour. Let me show you the bathroom actually. And this is the bathroom, standard shower. They have, the last hotel had these as well, these Dove things. They must just send them to all hotels. But like Dove shampoo, all that stuff. Bath space. I have my makeup bag here. We also bought this. I haven't actually used it. It was one of those bright ideas I had from like Temu, you know, when they send you little things of like, you might like this. I bought this. And it's got like our shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. Again, haven't used it because all the hotels we've been in actually already have that stuff. So yeah, that is our bathroom. So that is a quick room tour. A few little things that like we've learned road tripping the US is always to go to like a Walmart, Walgreens, maybe not Walgreens actually. If there's a Walgreens, that's the nearest place, then fine. But Walmart, Target, wherever, to get drinks. So we always buy like a pack of like cans of drinks, so you don't have to go to like the convenience stores in the cities and stuff, because they're always overpriced. We also get like a huge pack of water. We actually, because we live in Chicago and we live in an apartment building that's ridiculously big, we actually have a cart. You can probably see it back here. We actually have this cart, it's like our shopping cart, so if we ever get like a food delivery or even like post like, you know, like Amazon stuff, we take this cart down to collect it and then bring it back up, because our building is ridiculously big. So we bring that on the trip with us. So it means that we can put our water in there. We put like our camera bag and little small suitcase in there. And then also it means that if you get like, when we check into hotels, we have to park up, get the 2 suitcases out and the car, and we're all good to go. So that's a tip that we did learn. We also learned on the last trip, we have an Apple TV, and we bring it with us all the time because you can connect it to the actual TVs in the hotel, and it means you have access to your Netflix, YouTube, Peacock, whatever. So especially for us, because the last 2 road trips we have been doing have been going to see a WWE event. So if you're new here, we go and watch WWE events, and we're going to SummerSlam. So it's been handy bringing the Apple TV because it means that we can plug it in, and then when we have evenings in, or like we get back from an evening out and we've got like an hour or 2 before we want to go to bed, we can just pop that on. We can watch YouTube, whatever, but we can also catch up on like SmackDown and more. So those are my tips. Plentiful of tips there, obviously. Also, that's a side note, I thought I'd catch up. I feel like I haven't vlogged in ages. I thought I'd catch up. Do we like my cute handbag? It was mine and Callum's wedding anniversary 2 months ago, a month and a half ago, 6th of June. No, 6th of June. I think, no, yeah, it's the 6th of June. I was right. But it was our wedding anniversary, and I really wanted I've been talking about like getting a nice handbag for a while. So he got me a Kate Spade one. They have like in Chicago, they have a discount store online. So he got me that, and then he also got me, sorry, but it's all coming out now. Look how cute this is. This is gonna be my Kate Spade work backpack. Yeah, I like Kate Spade, okay? Anyway, I thought I'd just show you those because I like them, they're cute. But yeah, that is the room. We are going to chill out. It's now about 7:30. We ate out, but just like we had like cheese fries and quesadillas. So I think we might order something small in a little while, but we're gonna chill out because tomorrow we're gonna go to the Cincinnati Bengals Stadium store. We're gonna go to the and then we've also got a Cincinnati Reds baseball game. So it should be a busy day tomorrow. Today is like a travel day, chilling out day, getting to know the area day. But yeah, that is the plan tomorrow, so I shall see you in a little bit. Right, we've just popped out. There's literally a place opposite called Skyline Chili. Apparently that's one of the best places to get Cincinnati chili from, so we have just placed an order on DoorDash to pick up it, and I'm excited to try it. So we are back in the room now. We've got a few little things. So we've got this, I'm not sure what this was, it's like a wrap with chili in it. So Cam's got one of these, we both have one of these each. So this is a chili dog. And then we've also got, this is called a 4-way. It's basically like a big bowl of noodles, or like spaghetti with chili, beans, onion, cheese. So we're gonna share this and eat this as well. So yeah, that is our dinner. We wanted to try it. It's meant to be like a local favorite. So yeah, let's tuck in.